Hi, kamusta ka? Alam namin minsan parang ang bigat-bigat lahat. School, work, pamilya, expectations, parang paulit-ulit na lang. Tapos pagod ka na pero kailangan mo pa rin kumilos. Gusto lang namin ipaalala na hindi mo kailangang itago yung nararamdaman mo. You deserve a space where you can just be tired, sad, quiet, or healing. Kaya nandito ang Your Mental Health Ally Podcast. Pinag-uusapan natin dito yung iba't ibang topics para sa mental health wellness mo. May makakaintindi sa'yo, may kasama ka.
We are live now to our fellow viewers and followers and subscribers. We are here again para sa isang meaningful and enjoyable podcast about your mental health and your mental wellness. Again, I am Justin for tonight's host, and we are going to talk about a topic, another topic of interest, which is nire-request ng mga subscribers, yung mga lalo na pang mga students na nanonood sa atin, na ang topic natin ngayon is breaking the stigma and normalizing health on what are the or how we can break this stigma when it comes to mental health. At ano nga ba itong mga stigma na ito? At ano ba yung definition ng stigma? So, tonight, we have a special guest kay Ma'am Susain. Ma'am Susain, kamusta na po kayo?
I'm all right. Thank you for inviting me. Great
Yeah.
night. Looking forward to this session.
Yan. Si Ma'am Susain ay tulad ko ay mental health advocate at um, can you tell something about Ma'am, sa inyo na po manggaling Ma'am, kung ano ba ang
Sa
inyong
haba.
mga
Okay.
highlights ng inyong
All right.
advocacy.
First of all, I'm an image health and wellness consultant. And I have every heart and empathy for mental health and all the life-defining illnesses and problems of all man. So at the same time, I also am studying addiction studies, naturopathic studies, and brain health. So all my life, in my pursuit of asking and looking for answers, I ended up focusing and researching about mental health. So it's in my heart because it's whether it's genetic or environmental. Kasi pag hindi mo naayos ang mental health mo, it will affect everything in your life. So that's why I got into that. Marami pa. I'm also a fashion stylist. I'm a prayer minister. I'm a counselor and all that. But basically, besides being a mother and a grandmother for now, I mean, as of now, this season. So yun ang something that will be essential. That's why I'm here with you for Mental Health Ally.
Yan, thank you
This
Ma'am
channel. Yes.
Susain for
Mm.
accepting our invite to be the
Of
guest
course.
for tonight. And
Mhm.
before that, pasalamatan natin yung mga nanonood at lalo na yung mga returning viewers sa ating page and sa ating sa ating mga email newsletters na calendar para maka-attend sa ganitong conversation about mental
Mhm.
health. So let's
Yes.
start the ball rolling na, Ma'am Susain, ating usapan. Number one, Ma'am,
Yes.
what does it mean when we talk about stigma around asking for help? Ano nga ba tong mga stigma yun na ito pagdating sa if you want to ask for help, especially
Okay.
mental health? Mm-hmm.
Okay. Abroad, the first world countries are open to mental health issues. Ang problema usually, especially in our country, is there's a stigma, meaning bad shot yan, you're judged. Kaya dito, lahat sikreto. Kunyari may problema ka, you're depressed, you're anxious, you're panicking, you have all these symptoms of your personality, your behavior, disorders, and dysfunctions. Ayaw pag-uusapan kasi nakakahiya. Ano ba yan? Alam mo naman, as Filipinos, there's a shame that they call it. So wala nagsasalita, ang nangyayari lang lahat secret. Ngayon, ang maganda dyan, alam mo ba there's a shortage of psychiatrists and psychologists and therapists kasi nga ang pupunta ron usually, yung talagang desperate na, fatal na, may mangyayari na, it will affect relationships. At the same time, yun na nga, avoiding prevention of suicide and other violent behaviors. So ang nangyari nga, nahihiya. And sorry to say, even in the church, even for the religious and the spiritual, hindi rin kinikwento, laging secret, so hindi na-solve. Because there's a stigma of shame and embarrassment na may diferensya ka, may sayad ka, may tililing ka, krung-krung ka, 'di ba? May sira ka, 'di ba?
Oo.
Kaya walang nagsasalita at wala ring umaamin. Kasali rin sa sakit sa ulo yung hindi ka umaaming may diferensya ka.
Mm. Kumbaga,
Yes.
ayun nga ma'am, yung embarrassment 'no, tsaka yung
Oo.
not acceptance and
Mm.
yung environment kumbaga, yung tama ma'am na nakakaapekto rin yung ano, kumbaga you are already judged. Para
Of course. Oo, may sayad eh. Uy,
oo,
nagpakamatay yung tatay na ganito. Naku, yung anak na, wag mo i-date yan kasi nagpakamatay yung gano'n. So, can you imagine that's forever? Trauma ng bata yon trauma. So, 'di ba? Nakita mo naman sa social media kahihiyan, 'di ba? Pag may namatay na may nangyari, whether addiction or something, talagang grabe ang panglalait. So in Tagalog, lalaitin ka talaga. So lahat kaya nagpapasalamat ako you have this. You have a heart because people can run here. It's becoming commonplace and awareness for everybody.
yes ma'am. And next question na may related dun sa question natin number 1. Why do you
Mm-mm.
think many people are afraid? Ano nga ba yung kanilang, kumbaga pinanggagalingan ng fear na yon and ashamed to ask for help?
Okay. First of all, there is always a fear of the unknown. Kaya maski sa Bible, for all the Bible believers, nakalagay, people perish for lack of knowledge. Pag hindi mo alam, either takot ka or you just disregard it because you don't know. So part of that is not knowing. It's being unaware or being ignorant about it. Kaya pag hindi mo alam, takot ka. Kaya ang maganda talagang mangyayari. Kasi kumbaga sa sugat, band-aid, ay masakit. O painumin mo ng ganito, ay masakit para hindi na maramdaman. May sugat, takpan mo. But the symptoms are not solved. You have to go to the root problem of the mental health challenge, dysfunction, disorder, and so-called illness. So you have to get to the bottom of it talaga. Kasali yun. Kaya ina nga, nahihiya. Kasi nga, wala, marites ngayon eh. Lahat, all of us will admit it. Everybody gossips eh. Kaya nakakahiya yung imaging nila and their self-image. It affects their profile, public and personal. Hindi mo naman sasabihin.
Pero ano ma'am 'no, sa kahit papaano there is kumbaga increasing, though slowly naman, kumbaga there is an increasing awareness or ano, psycho-education kahit pa pagdating sa mga mental health. Kaya ano yung iba, they come out.
Alam mo kung bakit? Wala nang choice eh.
Mm.
It is kumbaga sa tumutulo na. Kumbaga napupulo na yung salop, it's leaking. You have to address it. Suicide, next generation, the millennial, it is already manifesting. If you check the malls, meron pa silang salamin ngayon kasi may nagpapakamatay tumatalon. So you have to, addiction, di ba? In all this time, they're trying to solve it, rehab them, or kill them, di ba? Yun na nga, yung mga tokang. So, hindi na pwedeng hindi pansinin kasi dumadami na eh. So ngayon, no choice. Kailangan pansin and thank God pinapansin. Kasi noon nga, puro secret lang. Diba?
Tsaka di consider it para na ring pandemic o para na ganun napakalawak na problem. Na yun nga, it is spiraling na madami na talaga and there is no other choice but to face it and to address it. Ayan, ma'am. Thank you for
Tsaka tsaka tama ka, tsaka malungkot. Alam mo, katulad niya, no? We're in my environment, uh, I I express na, hey, I'm here if you need help, to offer even. Pero mas mahirap pa, alam mo, kung sikat ka, artista ka, or you're known, public figure ka, it's harder. Kasi, uy, si ganito pala, ganyan. Kaya, kaya mabuti, nagkakaroon ng, di ba, the DSWD supposed to be there in charge, pag may abuse, pag may cyber, ano. So, mabuti talaga, uh, nag-open ang Pilipinas. Pero still, alam ko, secret pa rin eh. Kasi
Oo.
in my experience with everybody I know and what I've heard of, puro lang secret.
Mm-mm.
Secret, secret, secret lang lahat.
Ayan. Di ba?
Mm-mm.
We will talk about that, yung mga secret na yan and how we
Mm-mm.
can, kumbaga, break that stigma surrounding it. My
Mm.
next question, ma'am, is how does the society influence of the society, how we view mental health? Ano ba yung the influence of society as we view mental health?
Oh, which society? Yun
Our
na nga,
society, the
ah,
Filipino
Philippine.
society, and the
As,
mental health. Mm-mm.
kaya nga, slowly, kasi alam mo naman ang social media ngayon, di ba? Alam mo, pag social media minsan, sadly, naghahanap din ng content, di ba?
Oh,
So,
yes.
mas controversial, mas uso, mas bago, mas walang gumagawa. Babanggitin din nila lahat yan, di ba? At the expense of yourself and your image and reputation. Pero yun na nga, slowly nga, because of social media, as the Bible says, knowledge will increase in Daniel, nabubuksan na nga lahat yung pinag-uusapan. So ngayon, getting to be more accepting and more validating. Kaya yan na nga, so nagiging trend na ngayon yan na, oy, ako pala ganito, na-discover ko, ako pala ganyan. So ngayon, unti-unti, I think depende ko sino kausap. For our circle, we understand it. But for those who don't know it, depende sa genre ng tao tsaka yung age din, 'di ba?
Yes, ma'am. Oo, napakalaki din ng role ng ng social media when it comes to the spread or dissemination ng psychoeducation, lalo na if it is coming from talagang the right person, like the trained people, like katulad ninyo, ma'am, na who can provide the direction and the tamang psychoeducation. Kumbaga mas nagagay kung sino yung mga nakikinig eh. And next concern natin, Ma'am Susie, are there common myths naman about mental health that you think we should clear up?
That requires education.
Yes.
Kasi nga may judgment. Kunwari may learning disability. 'Di ba? Like now, pinag-uusapan yan, 'di ba, the autism, the Asperger's. Before hindi pinag-uusapan masyado 'yan. Kaya nga education, 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 the same way with real estate, location, location, location. For example, in the 50s, in the DSM manuals, way before, homosexuality was regarded as a mental condition, di ba? If you read it, ngayon, DSM-5 na, ayan,
Five
hinanap
na
ko
po.
pa yung DSM-5 ko. Ngayon, hindi na tinanggal na siya sa personality disorder. So, pati yan nag-iiba, it's becoming the Bible of the psychs. But, and if you actually analyze it, it's just all symptoms. So, what is symptoms to what? So, until I studied about brain health from Dr. Daniel Amen, na ay sus, meron palang minsan damage ang prefrontal cortex. May damage pala anterior cingulate gyrus. Yung cerebellum pala, may problema na nalaglag pala ng bata sa puno. So, you put it all together. So, yun na nga ang myth. The myth is, sira ulo lang yan, may lahing sira. Ang tanong, ano yung sira? Saan parte ng utak may sira? Pwera pa sa ugali, sa genetics, sa environment. Di ba, pag ang sira ang kotse, dadali mo sa talyer, di ba? I-check, starter ba, gulong ba, yung bang, yung circuit ba? Ganun din sa utak. I discovered na brain health, literally the hardware, also affects, besides the spirit, soul, body, tripartite being of man. So yun ang myth, na may sira, ay may depressed, hindi nagagaling, di ba? Pag may pumatay, ay may psychological disorder. Di ba, remember sa Justin, sa annulment, di ba lagi pinag-uusapan, after magbayad ka ng mahal-mahal, psychological disorder. Ano doon? So ayan na, psychiatric test na, psychological, magbi-Briggs-Myers na, MBIT, magro-Rorschach na. So i-check, the brain is the only part of the body that you are checking by symptoms alone. And now, brain spec and everything. Pero yun ang myth nga, may sira ka, ay may sayad dyan, may sira yan. Yun ang, oo. Pero yun, so now we studied it. May narcissism pala. Kunwari, wow, so religious, lover of God, minister. Yun pala, narcissist rin. May covert, merong grandiose. So the more we study, it's less judgment. Kasi, sorry, mostly judgmental ang tao talaga.
Yes,
Diba, pag sugarol ka, nagda-drugs ka, nicotine addict ka, tapos alcohol ka, alcoholic ka, or even your coffee. Di ba coffee is also addictive as a stimulant? Di ba?
Yes.
May kilala ka bang taong, naku, di ko kaya, wala akong kape sa araw na to. So, kanya-kanya yan eh. Kaya, just knowledge nga, besides the myth na, oy, may sira yan, may diferensya yan, may sayad yan, may topak yan, di ba? May tama yan. That's the myth of it. Understand first why. And help them.
Iba ang pag meron kang psychoeducation and scientific knowledge on how the brain works. At kung magkaroon ka lang ng konting halimbawa lesion or problem dito sabi niyo sa frontal cortex,
Yeah, PFC, the PFC, yes.
or sa iba-ibang
yes.
part ng brain, and it could affect
Yes.
na magkaroon lang na sinasabi nga nila na chemical imbalance.
Yun na nga. Oo. They always say that. That's the magic word, the chemical imbalance, the SSRIs. Pero it's more than that. Kaya nga, alam mo ba, mabenta ang psychiatrist ngayon. Tsaka, napakakonti. Because it takes 12 years to educate yourself. It's not easy. Kasi lahat ng psych, hindi rin pupunta sa psyche kung wala rin silang passion for the mentally disordered. Kaya ang appointment niyan, 3 months. Mabentang profession talaga yan. Hindi ata makukuha ng AI yan. Kasi nga, it's not just a mere, para ikaw, for example, sinasabi ni Dr. Amen, for ikaw, sasabihin mo sa akin, uy, Suzanne, masakit ang ulo ko, masakit yung dibdib ko, nalulungkot ako. Ay, hindi, depressed ka na. Ay, hindi, bipolar ka na. Ay, hindi, ano ka na, clinically depressed ka na. It's also symptoms. It's gonna break that belief na, ay, hindi, depressed ako. Yung pala, lamang ko, may connection pala sa diet, kung ang dami mo kumain ng sugar, madi-depress ka talaga kasi babagsak yung blood sugar mo. So, marami, medyo hindi pa tayo aware so much. Long way to go. Kumbaga, maraming paligo pa to teach our society about that.
Tsaka may ilada ko, Ma'am Susan, yung sinasabi nila na yung mga lalaki, when it comes to mental health, men do not cry. Men are strong. Men ay hindi katulad ng babae that can seek help whenever they experience problem. They can take it all by themselves. Is this a misconception when it comes to mental health?
Unfortunately, because we are a very matriarchal society, yun na nga, di ba, may kanta, boys don't cry. Why are they taught that to be strong means to withhold emotion? Strength is being meek, and meek is controlled strength. Even Jesus cried. Kailangan tulong nga, ay, huwag ka iiyak, huwag ka iiyak, huwag ka iingit, huwag ka mag-awain. Yun na nga, lack of parenting skills, lack of parenting education, kung anong inabutan mong magulang, gagayahin mo unless you have a desire to improve and to make over your life. But you know what? The only time you want to improve is when you admit na, teka, may diferensya. The way I was raised, the way I discovered. So katulad yan, ang babae, di ba, madaldal kami. Uy, nalulungkot tayo. We have the girl groups, we can share. Ang lalaki mas hirap. Kasi for them to acknowledge weakness is to express emotion, right? Kasi yung logical brain, men are from Mars, women are from Venus. Kaya yun nga, ang suicide, mas ang lalaki ganun, kasi nga wala sinabihan. So anong nangyayari? They just go to the bar, drink, take their drugs, get comfort, go to sexuality, be a workaholic, go gamble to comfort them from their pain and their trouble, then escape. Remember the 5 principles: you fight, you flee, you freeze, you fawn, you flow. So it depends on your approach. So is yung gano'n, titiisin na lang, secret na naman din. And then maraming anak they have kids outside or they have affairs, it's all secret. But they're not also dealing with the root problem. Kaya problema yan ng Philippine society,
Mm-mm.
right? That's a number one our problem. Besides idolatry and all this. And I just discovered also, Justin, na even judgment. Di ba, alam mo yung tama, alam mo yung mali. Tama ka sa sinabi mong psycho, spiritual, sabi mo scientific, pero not enough ang cognitive. Hindi enough ang neurofeedback. You need to go to the bottom. And for us who believe in the God, we have to go back to spiritual part. So, pwera sa spirit, soul, body, sa psychiatrist, sa psychologist, sa therapist, sa kausap, sa TCM, kung anong East and West modalities, you need to go back to your maker and solve the problem of the void that's causing you to be dissatisfied in your life.
Yan. Thank you for those insights.
Kasi hindi lahat, yung iba ayaw ng, paano kung atheist ka? What if you're not believing in a God? Ayaw nila yon. So I said, let's go back to universal. Love,
There is a
honoring,
universal.
love, honoring yourself, honoring others, honoring the stewardship of your body. So pwede rin ganun.
After all, these are the gift of. If you don't believe nga, these are the gift from the universe.
Love.
Love.
Maski sa Buddhist, ganun, di ba? Love. In other religions also, for those who
Ito
espouse
naman
that.
pong stigma na ito.
Mm-mm.
How does the stigma around asking for help show up in school and workplaces? Paano ba ito yung stigma na ito? How present ba to sa schools, sa mga students? Pag-usapan nga natin to school, ma'am.
Yes, sa school. Kasi, okay, one sign of mental, kaya nga, sabi nga nila, wag daw itawag na mental illness eh. Kasi it's a symptom based of the behavior of the person. Kunwari, yung bata, maski para ako, I am really stupid in math. Siyempre, pag hindi ka magaling sa math, if you have dyscalculia or dyslexia, siyempre, bagsak ka, di ba? Ulit-ulit ka, repeater ka. O, alam mo naman ng mga classmates, may mga bully rin, di ba? O di malalaki ka, ay bobo yan. Ay, hindi yan section 1. Sa section 5 yan, sa back row yan. So there's a stigma of ignorance or less intelligence. And then, syempre, pag may problema ka sa bahay, so yung bata nag-act out, nagbubuli, hindi sumusunod sa teacher, may conduct problem, bagsak. So, nilait din yun na, uy, itong batang to, may diferensya to. Siguro, kasi nung bata kami, when you're coming from a broken home, oh my gosh, in the 70s, malaking discrimination. Uy, hiwalay magulang. Uy, anak sa labas yan. Ibig sabihin, hindi nakakontrol yung parents, anak sa ganun yan, anak sa kabet, pang-limang pamilya na. There's a stigma when your behavior is not appropriate to morality. Malalait ka talaga or pag hindi mo nagagawa yung dapat mo gawin. Either nga bobo ka, tamad ka, or may diferensya ka kasi special child. Di ba yung iba special child or pag pasensya mo na may diferensya yan, may sira yan. So yun ang stigma, whether it's psychological, spiritual, intelligence-wise, behavior. Wala kang kaibigan. Walang nakikisama sa'yo, hindi ka marunong mag-go with the flow. You're very rigid. Pag nagkamali ka, hindi ka humingin tawad, ini-snub mo lang, nananakit ka, kasi you're very insecure. You want everybody to worship you. May ganun din. So, iba-ibang person. So, sa school, ganun. Wala kang kaibigan. You have
Kaya,
social problems.
iba rin ang teacher ay merong a strong and solid psychoeducation. Para hindi mo malelabel yung student na ito. Student na to, tawag dito, meron siyang diagnosis, kaya siya ganito.
Pero masakit marinig Alam mo, even with the people I meet, naku, si bipolar yan. Sabi, masakit marinig It's true, basing on symptoms of diagnosis of the psychometrician or the psychologist. Pero, parang reality check. For example, totoo yun, whether it's because of your genetics or your environment. Para kung sasabihin ko, uy, ang taba mo, or ay, ang pangit ng mukha, Ay, so, maski totoo, ay ang pangit mo, ay pandak ka, ay ang itim-itim mo, ay ba't yung buhok mo ganyan. So, it's not good. And I also want to add, when it comes to work, oh, I experienced that. Yung, uy, kunyari you're a person with disability, di ba? Psychosocial, orthopedic, meron kang whatever. May diferensya yan, may diferensya sa utak yan, ganyan yan. So, kasi nga hindi nila alam.
Mm-mm.
Kaya talagang, di ba sabi nga sa Bible, Father, forgive them, they don't know what they're doing. Kasi, very judgmental ang tao. Because that's reality, that's human nature.
What about po sa workplace? How is
Yun
it
na nga.
kasi yun,
Di-
very good.
Well, sadly, that 'di ba? Even the Filipino has an ethnic problem. 'Di ba sinasabi nila meron tayong strength, we're very resilient, we're very flexible, but we're also sinasabi crab mentality. 'Di ba ganun dito when people are happy, you're happy for them supposed to be. But the Filipino even abroad, oh, ay nako, talagang pull down. Ganun nga eh. Basta makapintas, makalait, o di lalo na pag may diferensya ka sa ugali mo, talagang sorry for the word, lintik ang lait sa'yo. That's the word, lait, discriminate, and reject. That rejection is immense. So it's painful. Diba? Kaya nga ako, I think about it, diba, dapat lahat ng trabaho may psych test. Diba sa HR ganyan, para alam mo na, ito pala, ito pala, ganito pala to. Hindi ka na nagtataka kung bakit hindi pala marunong makisama. But yun na nga, syempre, they don't wanna spend more, check lang kung normal ka, parang chest x-ray. Pero it needs to be really discovered deeply. So yun, yung this rejection, discrimination, number one.
Tsaka ma'am, di ba, even if you're a person with a lived experience or even the diagnosis, you can still be a normal. You can still do the other normal people do. Kaya yun yung isa sa mga misconception eh. Parang
Mm.
nagle-labeling ang mga tao eh. Na kapag meron kang ganitong diagnosis, pag may bipolar 1 o may bipolar 2 ka,
Mm.
hindi ka pwede sa ganyan. But with proper care, treatment, and proper support group and medication, they can still tawag rito, they can still live a normal life. That is something na yun nga yung mga pinag-uusapan namin before na na-judge nga yung mga tao pag meron kang ganyang naka may PWD ID ka, nakalagay doon,
Mm.
tawag rito,
Oo.
psychosocial disability, parang may iba sa
Alam mo, nakakatawa yan kasi tama ka. Kasi nga, hindi nila alam eh. Pero alam mo sa totoo lang ikaw, kunwari ikaw bibili ka ng prutas, 'di ba pipiliin mo yung walang tama, walang bruise, yung hinog na tamang-tama. Ayaw mo na 'di ba sinasabi nila lemon car lemonade. Siyempre ikaw yung employer, ba't ako naman kukuha ng masakit ang ulo ko may diagnosis na ganito. But
mm,
as you said, ang importante is functionality. Functionality, are you able to manage yourself? And at the same time, are you effective? Are you able to do your work? And credit to everybody labeled as a mentally disordered or whatever challenge. They're very talented. They're very creative. They're the forerunners in the world. The Van Goghs, the people that are diagnosed, they're the ones who made a difference. Mas matalino eh. Di ba may sinasabi nga, there's a thin line between genius and insanity.
sanity. Ayan.
Those are the ones that, look at the comedians, si Robin Williams, sila Jim Carrey. Ang bibilis ng utak niya, ang gagaling nila. But they're the ones, mga din sinasabi, ADHD. So, maski merong sinasabing, oy, this is a weakness, but there's also a blessing in it. There is, if you're able to funnel it properly and channel it in hyper focusing, they're the ones that will change the world and make a difference.
Yes.
Yan ang mga artists.
It can make a difference.
Yo, yes.
Yun nga, kumbaga, convert mo into
Oo,
something
kung matcha-channel, may educate, para hindi magpakamatay. Pag nagko-compose ng kanta, nag-aartista, kumakanta, nagsising, nag-acting, ang galing, very compassionate in their acting and very real to life. But if they're not able to handle their moods and their personality and their shifting, they can also disintegrate. Kaya our job, whether we are labeled with the letter of MD or PDoc or not, is to help each other in love and compassion and care.
Yan.
Yun.
Ang pag-usapan naman po natin, Ma'am Susay, ngayon ay is personal and community impact.
Okay.
Ang
Mhm.
stigma na to. What happens when someone hides their struggles or they just keep it all by themselves and
Okay.
does not ask for help? Ano ba yung mangyayari sa kanya?
Okay, ang mangyayari diyan si-secret nga. Ang
Mm-mm.
mangyayari tinitiis lang yung ugali, tinitiis lang yung pagdurusa. So it will come out in other things. Kakain sila ng marami, tataba sila. They'll have to find what they call a false refuge. A false refuge to doon madadivert yung lungkot nila, yung
Yes.
problema nila, idadivert. So ganun din, maghahanap ka, kumbaga choose your poison, lalabas din doon. At saka it will affect your relationship with yourself, your relationship with your family, with your friends, with your significant other, with your spouse. Hindi ka functioning kasi hindi mo nagagawa yung dapat mo gawin. Ang tawag doon, your executive skills as a child. As you grow up, hindi mo nagagawa. O di, wala rin, hindi ka rin effective. Hindi ka, you're not able to manage your life. Makikita ng tao yun. Hindi mo pwede i-secret yun, magkulong ko lang sa kwarto mo night and day. So, kaya gano'n, maraming nagiging addicts. And all these behaviors. Lalabas eh. It will, even promiscuity, it comes out. Because how will you do to take away the pain and the void and the vacuum in your heart? O yung minsan may boses, di ba? Uy, may narinig akong boses, the racing thoughts. So, ang gagawin mo na lang yung iba, pag hindi nila sinabi, alam mo, minsan, as we studied first aid with mental health and suicide, nag-a-announce yan, yung, uy, pag mamatay na ako, ganyan. So, minsan, pag yung utak sobrang ingay, puputulin na lang yung leeg nila, magbibitay na lang sila, or iinom ng gamot, or magbabarel or tatalon or iinom o magka-cut or mag-iinom ng Bidol or something kasi nga hindi na-address yung para ganito yun eh, merong Makati tapos hindi mo mahanap kung saan yung Makati. Kailangan mo kamutin. Kaya we need your whole village to help that person. So yun ang nangyari. You repress, it will also come out in time.
Kumbaga makikita mo ang manifestation niya physically,
Yes.
uh, at emotionally,
Lahat.
psychologically,
Mm-mm.
behavior,
Mm-mm.
kumbaga naging chronic Kumbaga yung
Yun.
hindi na address by way of talk, by way of
Mm-mm.
support, so it worsens and it becomes an illness and yun nga nagkaroon na ng other na nauwi na sa hindi magagandang mga bagay like sabi niyo nga po kumbaga ng suicidal attempt yung mga
Yes.
um, self inag-endure yung mga hurting oneself so
Kasi ang ingay ng utak mo na eh.
oo
Di ba literal, tagilid mo na yung ulo. I mean, it's sad. People can laugh at it, but it's like, I'll end my pain. We have to end our pain kasi what do we do?
mm-mm.
Kaya talagang very important ang lalapitang tao na hindi judgmental. Paano yung hindi maka-afford, 'di ba? May pressure rin 'yan, 'di ba? Alam mo, sometimes we inquired sa mental. Sabi ko, paano yung ganitong kunwari pasyente, ay naku, maghihintay pa kayong 3 months. Anong ibig niyo sabihin? Kasi gobyerno, 'di ba? Syempre, naka-budget
Oo.
sila. Sabi ko, anong ibig sabihin nun? Ay, ma'am, tatanggapin lang namin yung pasyente pag nagwawala na't bayolente na. Pero kung hindi po nagwawala at bayolente, hindi na muna. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, really? Of course, may problema tayo sa budget with our country. So private na lang. Di na magkano mga private ngayon na kumbaga i-isolate mo sila para hindi sila, they can manage and able to rest the rehabs and the hospitals. Psychiatric, mahal. 30,000, 50,000, 90,000. Paano yung ano? Kaya ina nga lang ang nangyayari, 'di ba yung mga bata, alam mo ba yon yung 'pag hindi raw kumakain, nagugutom,
Oo.
magra-rugby na lang sila, magso-solvent or iinom na lang sila ng tubig or just to uh, solve the pain of the hunger. And it's the same with mental health. Where do you go when you're so lonely? Kaya they go to the bars and the clubs and kaya nga sabi nila ang bartender raw, yan daw ang pare at pastor ng club. Kasi doon nagkikwento ng mga problema ng mga tao, di ba?
Oo,
Di ba, meron
parang
mga palabas
narinig
sa TV, mga cheers, yung mga, ngayon, coffee, di ba, mga coffee bar. Kasi where can we go? Besides God, of course. Pero you need a person, you need God with skin on. So, kailangan talaga ng ganun. Yun ang kailangan natin.
kumbaga, the family is plays an important role hear it instead of the ano kung lalo na kung may psychoeducation na pwede mong makita di ba? Through physical health yung ano if your family member is struggling mentally and you can tawag dito you can offer a lending kumbaga pwede kang makinig sa kanya yun pero
Correct.
sometimes minsan ang sinasabi nila hindi kumbaga ang family members sila pa yung nagja-judge sa kanila.
Ito ang ano, ito madugo diyan. Paano kung yung family member mo ang stressor mo? Yung family
Oo.
member mo ang abuser mo at trigger sa'yo. So you have to get away from your family to detoxify from them and get help outside. And there are times you have to really separate kasi if they have disorders that they don't know. Dito mo malalaman na may diferensya. Naaral ko yan all my life. I'm 61 years old. Hindi amin. Hindi amin kasi di rin nila alam.
Mm-mm.
Sabi nga nila, denial. Denial is a river in Egypt. Deny. Kasi kasali sa diferensya yung hindi ka umaamin. Hindi okay ako. Hindi okay ako. Hindi ka okay. Kaya lang, ina nga. Kaya it takes time to admit. That's the first challenge of that. So yun na nga, pag pamilya mo, sana nga, meron ka kapamilyang willing kang the shoulder to cry on. Meron naman mga ganun tao. Pero madalas hindi. Kasi nga sila nga yung, may diferensya rin sila. Sorry, it's in one unit. Kung may diferensya ka na maana mo yun, same environment kayo, paano pupunta ka sa kasama mo? At the same time, also cancer. Alam mo ba, part of cancer healing, there's a Bible study for that, is paggalit ka. When you're bitter and you're angry, yung galit mo sa lolo mong ilang dekada na, it acidifies your blood. So how do you solve that problem of your anger? Nagka-cancer ka na, namatay ka na. So may connection din yun kasi that's also your thinking. That's your mental health also, to forgive or to overcome your trauma if you were molested or raped as a kid or you're neglected. So kasali yan naman yun. So you're right, family unit.
Yan. Let's go naman sa some your experience through personal stories about this. Can you share a story, personal or story na alam niyo po? We're asking for help made a big difference.
Okay. Are you asking me regarding somebody else
Yeah.
or myself?
Either kung ano po ang gusto niyo
Okay.
ikwento.
Okay, so before we started this, I was thinking, so it's a good time. And one thing about people is it always is good to be honest and transparent. Syempre there's what you talked about, the shame and the judgment, but may ganun eh. And if you can save one life for that, okay, in my case, as an example, because I cannot speak for others, kasi syempre personal sa kanila, unless sikat sila. In my case, I've been dealing with depression since I was a child. Ever since I can remember, 4 years old, 5 years old. And in my mind talaga, parang, I don't wanna live. I want to, di ba sabi nila, in the presence is fullness of joy. So I want to go to, parang feeling ko, if I die, I'm going to be with God, who's my heavenly Father, na tinuturo sa church, and be with Him, and everything's perfect. Ganon. So, if I'm 61 and I was 4 and 5, I've been dealing with that all my life. So, what do you do? Since we could afford it, you can do so many things, your hobbies, your interests, and everything that you're trying as you grow up. Pero na-realize ko, something's missing. And the time I asked for help was the time na hindi ko na kaya. And I wanted to, not really self-destruct, but it's like, it's already affecting everything in my life, relationships, work, career. So that's the time I sought help. And it's connected to also my primary family because we were also dealing with all the challenges. Kasi di ba merong template ang pamilya, di ba? O perfect family, mother and father, alaga ka, secure ka. Well, sadly, in my heritage, both maternal and paternal, it wasn't like that. So it's not to judge them, but it's just to say facts. So in my case, I asked for help and decided to get diagnosed in 1999 when I was undergoing so many problems. And as a believer, as somebody who accepted Christ as their Savior, di ba? Tinuturo yan sa Kristiyano, sa Katoliko. Pareho lang naman yun eh. Katoliko, Kristiyano, pareho lang. That Jesus, the son of Mother Mary and Joseph, is the Savior. So I believe that. Pero at that time, I realized, ba't ganun? Alam ko na yung Bible. Pinag-aaralan pa yung Bible study, church to church. Ba't ang lungkot ko pa rin, maski alam ko na yung Diyos? So I had myself diagnosed. I found out, and I was diagnosed as a manic depressive na tinatawag nga na supposed to be bipolar disorder nga na yun na, nauuso na ngayon kasi nga si Catherine Zeta-Jones, ganyan. So, at that time, I had to discover, oh, so even if I study everything at that time of my life, that's 1999. So I had to research. So the diagnosed ka, they gave you medication. And I realized medication is to help you just to numb yourself. You're not as sensitive kasi ang kasalid sa bipolar symptoms yung irritable ka eh. Madali ka ma-irritate. If you interview my friends, ay, ang daling magalit ya, ang daling mainis, pero madali rin mawala. So they already gave a symptom-based diagnosis for bipolar. And then, so yun, got medicated. Hinahanap mo rin yun ha, yung medication mo kasi parang may cocktail yan eh, kailang bagay ka. Tandaan nyo to, lahat ng medication may side effect. So you have to distinguish, teka, ito may side effect, hindi to pwede. Ang importante nun that you're functioning, that you're able to manage. At that time, we had like, 6 businesses and everything. I was so stressed coming from the background I had all my life na talagang kumota na ako sa stress, kumota na ako sa coping with life. So after that, I realized it's not all meds either. Kasi may mga meds pang nakakataba, may nakakapayat. O ito, nakakapayat, okay ito kasi that's also part of our problem. Obesity and food addiction. That's also a problem kasi when you're sad, you eat. The carb, the serotonin, the dopamine rush. For people who exercise, it's the endorphin. So after I got diagnosed with that, may papel yun eh. That can change also. Because God can change anything. So as I research, so I got interested more into mental health nga and then the Bible. Maski sa Bible, maski si Elijah depressed. So as I found out all of that, kaya ako na-interest sa psychospiritual, sa Elijah House, sa Father's Heart, sa Ancient Path, and now Dr. Amen, Caroline Leaf, na nakikita mo na, pag alam mo pala to, so now it's supplementation pala. So you put it all together, and then you make a protocol for yourself as you consult all these experts and knowledge. But the final person is you. So yun, so nagkaroon akong PWD. I had brain aneurysm 2014. Magkaka-chemical depression ka daw. So binigyan na akong PWD. So now, because I know it, I can handle it. And I can now also address myself na, uy, ito when I listen to myself, oh, you talk so fast. You're so madaldal. If you notice, maraming madadaldalan. Kasi kulang kami sa pansin attention na there's so many things you want to say. So that's how I deal with my issue of depression and when you go manic. Kasi sometimes may negosyo ko noon, what takes 4 years, nagawa ko in 6 months. Hindi ako natutulog the whole night, every night, to research about my holistic skincare products. So may advantage din. Kaya lang pag hindi mo binalance, tandaan mo to, pag bipolar, it's opposite polarity. It's black or white. You need a gray. You need balance. So the challenge for people like me who's admitting it now in broad daylight all over the world in your streaming is to manage it. And it's all right because no one's perfect. But if you study perfection in the Greek or Hebrew, it's really mature. So it's really management and solving the root problem and healing progressively. That's what we're here for everybody.
Thank you, Matt, for your sharing that piece of
Yes.
piece of life
Oo.
regarding sa pagsik ng pag-health. Ang tanong ko naman, ma'am, ang kasunod kong tanong is, how can family and friends support someone who is afraid to speak up? Paano nga ba matutulungan ng a family member or a friend yung kanyang anak or ang kanyang kaibigan para to seek help?
In my experience, because sadly, even in the church, ganyan din, may judgment din. may judgment din. Tapos meron din silang, syempre, yung mga na-discover nila sa Bible na, oy, deliverance na lang. Pag pinag-pray mo, ika-cast out mo yung demon, tapos na yan, one session, tapos na, hindi rin eh. So everybody means well, pero kulang. But you know what's important? The shoulder to cry on, the ear to listen without the judgment, without the unsolicited advice, to shut your mouth, and to really care from the heart, to love and understand. Kasi sasabihin naman ng iba, bakit ganun? Binuwisit na nga yung buhay namin, kami pa ang iintindi, kami pa magtitiis, kami pa gagastos, kami pa magpapasensya. Sadly, we cannot choose our families. So yes, without judgment. And you know what? It only can happen if they're educated. Kaya ang puso ko, kung pwede, kung posible, with your channel and as God leads, if everybody can be educated, even in the 8 pillars of society, whether it's family, society, church, government, media, arts, education. Kasi pag natutunan ka na, yung lait mo hindi na ganun katindi. Hindi ka na yung, uy, di ba yung iba, uy, ba't ganyan yan? Uy, ba't nakaganyan, nakaganyan? Uy, bakit nakatattoo yan, ganyan? Hindi mo alam ang reason. So, tenga, pagmamahal. Love is still the answer. It's universal. Kung may pagmamahal ka, hindi mo sosoplahin, hindi mo papahiyain, hindi mo hihiyain, at tutulungan mo sa abot ng makakaya mo. Yun na nga, as I've said kanina, unless ka may diferensya rin yung kamag-anak, yun ang problema. Kaya ang nangyari, there are times friends are more family to you than your family. So may we be that, as you said, may we be the allies. Na meron silang pupuntahan na walang, na yun na nga, na walang discrimination.
Yun yung sinabi niyo po kanina, even sa
Hindi
church or
talaga eh.
within the church mismo, minsan
Oh
may
yeah.
kwento na sinasabihan siya na kulang ka lang sa prayer,
Nako,
na
sadly.
kulang ka lang sa hindi
Sadly.
ka lang close kay Lord. Kumbaga sinasabi niya nakaka-trigger yung mga ganong words na
Nakaka-turn off,
mm,
nakakalungkot, nakakadagdag pighati, lalo kung malulungkot, lalo kung gusto magpakamatay. Because if you're claiming to be God's representative on earth as an ambassador, as a minister, as my cell group leader or classmate na Bible, na panay attend, tapos ikaw mismo, you'll judge me and look down on me and tell me, oh, you do this technique and it's gonna work for you. No. God is a very personal God. Each person is different. So, yan, malungkot ako dyan kasi nangyari sa akin yan eh.
mm,
I call it spiritual abuse. But now that I've studied and continue to study at my age, I haven't arrived. I continue to learn. But now that I understand, kaya naman pala judgmental eh. May problema pala yung arterial cingulate gyrus, very rigid. O di lalong kailangan na naman yan ng nalalaman ko, uminom ka ng vitamin E at vitamin D at kailangan mo ng supplementation, baka yung omega-3 mo. So now, pag nakakita ako, kasi pag syempre, natututo na ako na mag-decipher ng tao, di ba? As I've studied, even handwriting analysis I studied. So when I look at them, mga 10 minutes, kausap mo na, naku, legalistic na, religious na, judgmental na. Sa loob-loob ko, oh no, may diferensya rin to sa ganon. So, pagpe-pray mo na lang and just be there and pray for them and be with them. Pero yan, sadly, kaya ang nangyayari, pupunta ka lang sa psychiatrist na stress na rin sa dami ng pasyente, babayaran mo na lang nung naniningil sila. Alam mo, maski psych, nakakapunta ako sa psych, nasi-stress na rin sila sa dami ng pasyente. Alam mo, wala na rin silang tiyaga makipag-usap, reseta lang na lang reseta yan. Pero may mababait naman na matyaga. Pero they have their own world of problems also. So, to be there to love. That's the answer to that. It's very, it's a generic answer, but it's true. To love, to care.
oh,
Isaiah 61 in the Bible, to learn to comfort one another.
yes.
And to be trained. Please get training.
Karamihan din nung nakikwento nga sa akin inside
Mm.
their cell group, ganun nga yung
Yun.
sabi niyo spiritual abuse. Ay, kunwari yung nasabihan ka ng ganun, how do you deal with them? Ano ba yung
Oh my
yung
gosh.
sinasabi niyo sa kanya? Oo. Do you leave them? Or do you argue with them? Or you just stay away from them? How do you deal?
Okay. Ayoko maiyak. That happened to me. when you're considered damaged goods, when you're considered less qualified than the people, that's a rejection, syempre. And that's painful. But you have to accept that, right? If people don't like you, they don't like you. Or they think you're lemon car or something, what can you do? So ako ang belief ko, kung may nagawa kang mali, humingi kang tawad, correct? Pag may nagawa kang mali sa disorder mo or sa diferensya mo hindi nila type, bumawi ka. Ngayon, if you think they're worth making up for, ngayon kung hindi naman, at whether hindi nila maintindihan or nahuli mo lang sila or something, if you're called to forgive them because they don't know what they were doing, lalapit ka sa Diyos, iiyak ka na lang, you ask for comfort. Do you know I had to go abroad to find people to talk to that will not judge you? You know, sometimes when they tell me, when I had problems, they tell me, Suzanne, how can I help you? Eh, mas marunong ka pa sa Bible kaysa sa akin. Ano itutulong ko sa'yo? But you know what I realized when I went to people that I went to, they were very loving to me. That was the only thing na, wala naman silang sinabi. Hindi ako inakap eh. Pero alam kong, ay, nandiyan ka. Your presence is enough. So, yun na nga, I had to go abroad to look for that. And you know what I said now? If I can't find this, or very konti lang ang nakita kong ganun, I wanna be that. I wanna be what I can't find. And I'd like to credit very people, very, how do I say very, the very dear people to me that were there for me. It was my friends. My best friend, Princess was there, Punsalan was there. Marami God will send you the people. And yun na nga, ako nga syempre, nerd ako, health nerd, Bible nerd. Sabi ko, shoot, kailangan yung pupunta ako, mas marunong sa akin. Maski doktor pa eh. Kasi limited din yung alam nila, kung ano lang yung inaral nila for 12 years, tsaka continuing ed. So, masakit. Pero yun na nga, we can just be what we can find. One heart at a time, one brain at a time, one tear at a time.
Yes,
Diba?
thank you for sharing that.
Diba ikaw din ganun ka? Remember when I first met you?
Opo,
Ba't mo ba inumpisahan to, diba?
yan ang mga hugot na.
Oh, hugot lines.
Hugot stories.
Yeah,
We can,
malungkot.
and ito naman
Malungkot.
po, ang topic naman, next part naman na ating conversation has something to do with wellness. Mental health and wellness. What is
Yes.
the difference between mental health and mental illness? Because ayun, kaya kasi minsan na pag i-interchange nila, minsan hindi nila ma-differentiate. Ano ba yung mental health and mental illness?
Okay, mental health is the status of your brain hardware and the way you think. Remember, ang mental health, it controls your behavior, personality, attitude, motivation. It encompasses a lot. So pag sinabing mental illness, ibig sabihin, meron kang chronic, lingering, at meron ka nang nararamdaman na hindi mo na magagamot. Kumbaga, hindi ka na functioning. Kumbaga sa presinto, di ba, merong maximum, minimum. Di ba, naka-orange, naka-brown, naka-blue. Yung pagpalabas na. So ganun din sa mental illness. Merong yung talaga maski anong gawin, ganun na lang. Hindi na sila functional. So, yun yung mga mentally ill na sinasabi. Yung, nalala mo yung movie na Beautiful Mind? Remember the Beautiful Mind movie? Yung mathematician na magaling? O yeah, gumaling siya, di ba? Pero, ang dami niyang dinaanan. So, may gumagaling yung mga mental illness na, yun na nga, nandun na lang sila. They're just, kumbaga, hindi naman vegetable, pero parang, ano na lang sila sa facility, 'di ba? Yan na yung nakita mo yung sa Jessica Soho, 'di ba, yung winawalis, they just poo and pee in one place. Winawalis na lang. So the illness is something that it depends if it's life defining or can still be cured kasi yung iba hindi na rin eh. It depends on the person. Kaya nga chine-check yung iba kinukulong na lang sa rehab, sa psych rehab. Gagastos na lang talaga yung magulong. So it depends on the severity of it. If you can still, kumbaga, may sinat ka ba, may lagnat ka ba, may COVID ka ba, may cancer ka na ba, may AIDS ka na ba? So it depends. It's just the severity of it.
Yeah.
Illness and mentally unhealthy in a nice anong tawag doon? Politically correct word. Mentally unhealthy. Hindi ka healthy. Hindi ka balance eh. May problema ka eh, di ba?
Tsaka just to add to our viewers, when say mental health, it is part of our life. Kasi
Mm.
inisip lang nila physical health, yung kanilang,
Mm.
tawag rito, ayun nga, more on physical health, emotional health. But
Mm.
mental health is something that can be compared to a foundation of a house. Na napaka-importante that now walang health pag walang mental health. So it is important for you to function, kumbaga
Yes.
to be function
Function.
as a, ano,
Yes.
as a person.
Dr. Amen said, you change your brain, you change your life. May
Mm-mm.
diferensya ang buhay mo, tingnan mo yung utak mo. Kaya
Oh,
back to this is central. This is your nervous system. God put your brain on top of everything.
ano yung nilalaman mo
This
sa brain
is,
mo.
this will run the world. Hindi lang kanta ni Beyonce. You fix this, everything is fixed. But
Yes.
the good news is, and to burst the bubble of all those who think na, di ba tao, aral ng aral. May mga iba mahiling mag-aral and knowledge puffs up. Nakakayabang yun pag tatlong PhD ka na. Even if you know everything here, it is always connected to the holistic wellness, which is your spirit, your soul, your body. Your spirit is your intuition, your conscience, your discernment, your communication with God. Your soul is your mind, will, emotions, personality, attitude, behavior, your habits, your character, and your body is this. Your five senses, your body, your nose, your... So, it has to be complete. Hindi pwedeng isang part lang. Lahat. So, ito na siya, oh. You help this, it will affect everything.
Yes, tama po.
Mm-mm.
That is
So, kaya kailangan
that is the
pag-usapan
reason
yan.
why it is there. Yan.
Yeah,
So,
that's right.
next natin is, what are some everyday things that we can do for us to take care for our mental wellness? Kayo po ba may routine ba kayo every morning? Ito yung ginagawa
Okay,
ko.
yes,
Here
walang
is the...
choice.
Mm-mm.
Yan. Okay, first of all, for all the people that are mentally challenged and experiencing all this, that we have something in common, whether it's trauma, abuse, neglect, epigenetics, environmental issues, poverty, and all that. Ano yan eh, maraming reasons eh. Uh, the will is very important to even be willing to do it. Kaya katulad niyan sa mga na-research ko sa 61 years of my life, importante pala yung kakainin, the diet. Why? Because the sugar, we love sugar. Because sa depressives, we like ice cream, we like sweets. So biglang 'di ba babagsak yung blood sugar mo. So ang sugar pala is nalaman ko lang lately, nakaka-depress pala ang sugar. Tsaka addictive. So even the sugar, I have to now it's a daily decision what you put in your mouth. It has to make sure na may limit lang yung sugar mo, hindi ka magbi-binge sa sugar. So your diet is connected. That you have more food that has more protein and not kasi tandaan niyo 'to, ang brain ito pero nasa gut din ng brain, eh. Kasi may feel good yan kaya 'di ba when you eat ako, I love ice cream, I love pizza, you feel good about it. So your diet and the exercise. Yan, sino bang gusto mag-treadmill at mag-exercise at mag-muscle weight bearing kasi magkaka-osteoporosis ka, mababalian ka. You need that for the blood flow in your brain. So you have to exercise daily. Hindi lang, ay basta pumayat para kasya ako sa jeans kong size ganito. Hindi. It is for your longevity and you need the blood flow here. And for all of us who have medical devices for this, like in my case, I have the Beamer and other things, yung iba, HBOT, mga ganyan, which is good. Kaya lang, you need that. Tapos yung the people you're with. Very important. Di ba yung COVID ganun? Pag nalala mo nun, naka-mask tayo, di ba? Yung
Yes.
mask, di ba? Naka-alcohol, everything, lahat na, naka-filter. Even the people you're with. If you're with people that are also nakakahawa rin yan eh. You become who you're with, di ba? Tell me your friends. So, you have to be with people that are also interested to get help. Or unless you're with them to learn from them, or they're there to learn from you or to hang out together. Kaya minsan pag nagtatawanan, uy, may mga diferensya. Uy, si ganito, ganyan, may ganyan, ganyan. Gusto ko sabihin, kaya nga tayo magkakasamang magkakaibigan di may diferensya rin tayong lahat. Tawanan na lang kami. So, yun, the diet, the exercise, the supplementation, what you take. And of course, people don't like medicine. I agree. Diba? Yung sa ibang Kristiyano, ay, huwag maggamot. Kasi hindi victorious, hindi overcoming as a Christian. Dapat nag-pray ka na in Jesus' name, okay ka na. But some people need it. And you have no right to diagnose and tell me what to do because you're not the boss of me and you don't pay for my bills. So as wise, as the Bible says, to be wise as a snake and gentle as a dove, when you consult, you decide, teka, pag inom ko ba tong Lamictal ko or Lexapro ko or tong iniinom na, will this help me? So it's you managing what is best for you in your protocol. So diet, exercise, sleep. Sleep is important because that's the time the body rests. Even the way when God made man in Sabbath, the day begins at 6 at night to rest. So kasali yun. That's why the holistic, the diet, the exercise, the sleep, your environment, your hobbies, in your spiritual life. Where do you find hope? Where can you anchor your faith? What do you believe in? What's a higher calling? Kasi life is not all about me, myself, and I, and what I like to do. Lovers of self, lovers of pleasure and comfort. There's a reason we live eh. It's also to help other people. So, hinahanap yun. And like ako, when people come to me, I have all these forms they have to fill up or they get interviewed to see, teka, hanapin natin bubulay-bulayan, kada detalye, anong problema? And then we go from there. So that's what you have to discover health and wellness wise.
Yan.
Pero lahat yun. Pati weather. Alam mo ba
Yes.
pala, alam mo ba, suicide number 1, Christmas time. Why? It's cold. There's no sunshine. Number 1 suicide state in America, Seattle, because of the weather. Sun is important, kaya vitamin D sa sun. Kasi, like ako, did you see my background? I was thinking, ay, ang background ko ba colorful o simple lang? But this is me. Colors wake me up. It makes me feel alive. I see God's glory and the meaning of all the colors. Ang lungkot na ng buhay, di ba? Di ba pag may namamatay, itim, di ba? Ngayon, puti. Pag Chinese, it gives you joy, many colors, and that's the rainbow that God made. So maraming practical things, and that's some of them that I mentioned.
Ay,
Marami pa.
parang nakuha ko doon, parang we will go back to the basics eh.
Yeah, basic.
Sleeping,
Yes.
drinking water, yung
Grounding, yes.
exercise. So,
Good stewardship of your body, of your soul, and of your spirit. Kaya kung hindi natin magagawin good stewardship na yun, kasi nga may diferensya. Kung ito ang pilot ng, remember sa plane, ang nagpapatakbo pilot. Pag ang pilot palpak, 'di ba, sa mga assassination, mga hijacking, you kill the pilot, the airplane's crashing, it's gone. It's the same thing. This is what controls the whole body. But this is can only run well, as the Bible says, Romans 12:1 and 2, renew your mind, but it has to come from your heart. Because we were made in the image and likeness of God, comes back to the heart, comes back to love. Because God is love. So, partner yon, package deal yon. Hindi mo pwedeng magawang bukod-bukod. It's not gonna be effective and it's not gonna last.
siguro nga, Ma'am Susain, kung hindi rin ako nag-exercise, baka my weight is, kumbaga, goes out of proportion kung hindi ka nag-exercise. At saka, parang may sinasabi silang na endorphin. Parang good
Endorphin
hormone.
rush.
Kapag nag-exercise ka, it feels good. After
Yes.
mong makapag-secretes ng perspiration.
You
And
sweat, you detox, you in and out, the balance. Di ba? Sabi nga nila, yin and yang. You eat, you poo. You drink, you pee. You work, you rest. Di ba? You work hard, you play hard. Life is a balance. And katulad yan, alam mo, yung ibang addiction, they call it cross addiction. Yung kunwari galing sa shabs or sa cocaine or sa alcohol. You know, sometimes they become exercise addicts naman. Kasi nga yung endorphin sa BPM, the runner's high, they call it, tas puro naman damage yung paa. Sira na yung Achilles heel. So, balance na naman. So, yeah, there is. Kaya they call it the runner's high. Tama ka dun.
Ma'am, paano naman po yung concern naman ng iba nating mga followers, lalo na mga babae na nagtatrabaho in the graveyard. Paano naman
Ayun.
po yung kanilang how do they care of their themselves, their mental health, lalo na gabi ang kanilang pasok kasi sumasabay sila sa time zone ng ibang bansa eh.
Yan ang ka-experience ko lang lately na malungkot.
Mm-mm.
They discovered in research that those who work graveyard get sick more and even are prone to cancer. Sadly, kasi nga yung time frame, yung circadian rhythm na tinatawag. Kaya syempre, in the call of nature, in the call of economics, alam namang magpili ka pa, di ba? So, yung importante, like ako, I just had a night shift job for a month. I had to resign. I had to resign because it affected my sleep. It affected the day when I wake up. It affects everything. So for those who have those problems, so ito mangyayari dyan, baliktad ang araw, di ba? So mangyayari, damage control na lang, at least you're earning, nakakatulong ka sa pamilya mo, sa buhay mo, pero your sleep is important na dapat madilim.
Mm-mm.
You can't have any blue light around you. The sleep has to be deep REM, the rapid eye movement, tulog, and then of course your nutrition, as best you can, and to balance kasi nga baliktad eh. So still, it's the cardinal rule of honoring your body, their diet, your exercise. When I say diet, hindi sinasabing, uy, nagpapapayat ako. Diet means the food that you're eating. Ina 'di ba, makape, 'di ba
Mm-mm.
ngayon uso mga milk tea with 36 spoons of sugar. So it's really awareness, and yung sleep, very important yung sleep, na yung 'di ba 7 to 8 hours, na yung tulog na malalim na tulog. Yun ang pwede na lang gawin talaga kasi nga how can you say no, right? It pays your bills.
Tsaka yung sa mga ano naman nating followers na students,
Oo.
mahihilig sa mga Ma'am Susin, yung mga milk tea, mga
Yung
may
masarap talaga eh. Ang sarap ng boba, ang
oo.
sarap ng I love it. But yun na nga, kasi sadly, even the food industry is becoming loving money so much and profit. Maski magkasakit na tayo lahat, wala na eh. It's becoming all profit-based. So we also have to choose what we're eating. O di mag-cheat day ka na lang. Kasi ako gustong-gusto. I love it. Ay naku, 'pag ako kumain ng halo-halo, ang order ko 10. Kasi nga I like sweets, eh. I'm a food addict, a sweet. I love it, and I'm still dealing with it now. Kasi nga it took me what, 13 years to gain back. I lost yo-yo pati weight. Sa aming katulad naming hindi naman, addicted to substance, food. Ang sarap kumain ng processed food 'no, ang sarap ng chips. The salty chips, overcome stress for you. You like the vetchin, the MSG. Kaya, yun na nga eh, knowledge talaga. So, yun ang pwede nilang gawin. Ang dali na ngayon, no? Dr. Google, ano na, what will you eat when you're... Pero yun ang, kaya, pag nakakabalita
Behavior,
ako,
oo.
nagkakasakit na friend kong gravy, nalulungkot ako. Syempre, sarap kumain, pagising. It's sad, but yeah. All the more you have
Go
to
back
take
to
care.
the psychoeducation. Ano ba yung effect niya? Lalo sugar. Yung sinabi niyo na sugar, pag biglang bumagsak yung it can cause
Diabetes, di ba?
diabetes,
Di
depression,
ba?
and other
Di ba?
things.
May sinasabi ngayon 'di ba sa Instagram yung pag Alzheimer, sugar, diabetes, ADHD, glaucoma sa mata, it's all sugar. It's all sugar. Sabi ko naku, because in the old days, research ko to, sugar was like caviar.
Mm-mm.
Konting-konti lang kinakain. It's a special ano. But what did they do now? They put sugar in everything, in ketchup, so that you'll be addicted and you'll keep buying. Pero
Oo.
usually, ano lang tayo, dapat 24 grams or something, 60 spoons. So, ngayon, kaya, that's why we're becoming more obese. Hindi lang America, nag-umpisa na even sa Japan, di ba? Kasi nga, it's the food. Kaya, the people in graveyard uh, will have to try harder. And that's another stress for them. Pero, well, by God's grace, we can pray na talagang we can be able to manage the busy life, especially now in this age of information. It's harder now with all the stimulation and all the even the fake information around you.
Yes.
Ano yung totoo, di ba?
And a next question ko naman po, ma'am, is what would you say to someone listening right now sa ating mga viewers who feel scared to ask for help? Diba? Natural yun eh. It is they are afraid to ask for help. What can you say for them?
Ako, if they have no, well, as I've said, if they can't find anybody to encourage, you know what we can do? All of us, if you're scared, that's why there's a God to run to. Because we can always talk to him. Alam mo, minsan, di ba yung mga ibang nakikita mong schizo, yung kausap yung sarili, na nasa States ako noon, sasalita sa bus siya lamang isa. Talaga yung look up, oh, Father, help me to get to know you. Send me somebody. Kasi, what can you do? Help, SOS. And, and he'll, and he's there. He will answer because at the end of the day, when we die, 80, 90, 100, or whatever, if you're sick, we have to meet our maker for those who believe. And it's good to meet him now to understand why are we like this. It's also a cry and a call and an invitation to go to him. Are you familiar with Henry Nouwen? He's a priest. He was a very sad priest, and he was sharing about his book, The Inner Voice of Love. In his loneliness, pari na yun, nasa seminaryo na everything, in the sacraments, he turned to God all the more. So that's also one way to ask for help, to ask for God's help, and He will answer for sure. And yun na nga, now that nakikinig sila, we're here. We're all here. We can refer people to you. And that's why we're here giving it for free, this broadcast. Wala naman we're here. This is the purpose why we're here. And all the other people who really want to help without the motive of profit. It's really to help. Kasi syempre kailangan ng pera to handle all that. But it will follow. But as we said, but remember the Field of Dreams movie, if you build, they'll follow. So for that, for those viewers or watching, call us, call all of us, and call you, call Mental Health Ally, and call the other people that are there for you, because tayo-tayo lang nagkakaintindihan. Tandaan nyo to, hindi maintindihan yan. Sabi nga sa Bible, he who sins much loves much because it's forgiven much. Kumbaga, hindi mo ma-advisean yung nanganganak, "Uy, ganito manganak ka." Hindi ka naman nanganak eh. Ang makakaintindi lang doon yung nakaranas. And those are the people like us who can empathize, comfort, and listen to one another without a judgment, without a discrimination, and without the holier than thou self-righteousness attitude. Because there's hope. And our job for fellow depressed people is to bring hope to them. Because they're literally wounded in their spirit and they're dead in their spirit. We lift them up and carry them. Remember the song, "He ain't heavy, he's my brother." We carry each other. So that's our role here.
And I would like to add, you can look for support group. That
Yun na nga.
you can join the support group. Meron tayong support group, and there are other support group that you can join. Kasi iba yung ano eh, if you have the community that can help
Yun.
you. Merong makikinig sa'yo kahit yung hindi mo kilala, pero they will not judge you na ang
Yes,
naman.
yes.
Kasi di ba ma'am, so sa inyong iba, pag makikwento ko lang, mako-compare sila eh.
Mm.
Sasabihin nila, maliit lang na problema yan. Alam mo ba yung mga pinagdaanan kong problema? Walang-wala. They are invalidating your
Exactly.
feelings.
You're right. I totally agree with you. Whether it's church, community, your parish, your marami, and your friends, your group, your club. And di ba nga in the past merong AA, Alcoholics Anonymous, Narcotics Anonymous, marami nga. Kaya nga, pero you have to make sure and be discerning na yung pupuntahan mo nga is very beneficial and encouraging for you. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi minsan may pupunta ka, bebentahan ka lang. Alam mo yun, yung may motive, yung may bebenta pa lang gano'n, yung ano ba talaga, mahirap maghanap ng gano'n na. I mean, everybody means well, but you can be sincerely wrong. So, may you find places to be raised up, to be like that. Pero, yun na nga, community mo na hindi dagdag stress. Kasi ang nangyayari, namomroblema ka na nga, tapos problema ka pa ulit pag pumunta ka doon. So, that's why there's a need, a dire need for safe people and safe places who
Yun.
love you to life. Yes.
And ito na po yung last question natin for today's podcast, ma'am.
Yeah.
What are the few good first steps? Mga first steps someone can take if they feel overwhelmed but don't know where to start? Ano ba yung mga ano ba dapat nilang gawin pag na-overwhelm sila? Especially yung emotions, kung ano yung nakikita nila. What can you share about it, ma'am?
Okay, one thing I realized all my life is to admit it. I need help. To have the guts to overcome your pride and your ego to say, I need help. Now, who are the people to run to? Because the faster you acknowledge it, the better. And also, I want to share this. I know the typical response of mankind is to avoid pain.
Mm-mm.
Kaya may addiction eh. But part of I realized in my healing processes to face the pain, to face the music. And it took a long time to do it. It took years and continuing to. Kasi the minute you address the elephant in the room, and these things thrive in secrecy.
Mm-mm.
So if you can find one person that you can trust your heart, and then from there on, with all the information now, you can be referred. And para ka nagsha-shopping yan ng damit eh. Pinipili mo. Meron ka ng kapasidad ngayong mamili. Noong unang panahon walang social media, library na pupunta ka sa Comptons o ito, diferensya ko, I'm sad. Kasi experiencing this when I was a kid in my school, where can I run? I'm so lonely. So I just eat and eat and eat my 1 gallon ice cream. So food has become my refuge. Kung pataba ka naman ng pataba ang waistline mo, 36 na, di ba? So to address it and to get help, not just a band-aid, not just a gauze, but to go into the root and find out and be with, it's worth it. Cellphone nagbabayad, willing. Shabu nagbabayad, may budget. Pag nag-shopping, bibiling bag, may budget. Hindi ba dapat budgetan ang utak ko at katawan ko at buhay ko? Because once you spend your time, it's spent already. So you have to be humble enough to admit and to find somebody safe na, uy, may problema ako. Anong pwede kong gawin? Na hindi lang unsolicited advice. Di ba minsan kasi yun na nga yung sinasabi, ay mag-pray ka na lang. Okay, hindi ka ba nagpe-pray? Siguro may demonyo ka, no? Hindi ganon. Yung makikinig lang sa'yo na, as you've said, call people like you know, to locate depression. And you look at the fruit of the person and the life of a person. Kasi maski anong daldal mo, ang galing mo, alam mo lahat ito, kumusta yung buhay mo? How are you? How are you managing your life? So
Yes.
that's what I would do to not to expose the secret, because you get broken in relationships, you also get healed in relationships. I learned that from Elijah House, the school I went to for prayer ministry. Kasi nga, it talks to you about, kailangan pag-usapan eh. And it syncs with science, kaya it's perfect, kasi may proof eh. Empirical and scientific. Kaya, that's why we're here. This is the community. Welcome to all our siblings experiencing the same.
And we are human beings. It is okay not to be okay. Kasi
Ayun na nga, bago nga yung Ann Curtis. Oh.
sinasabi nila na dapat okay ka lagi. But we are human beings and we experience these emotions. It is
That's
okay
why.
not to be okay sometimes. Okay
Kasi
lang
nga,
yan. Pwede kang humingi ng tulong.
oh, thank you to Korean novela. If
Oo.
not, if they did not do that, na kinuha ng DreamWorks na yan or whatever, si Ann Curtis, inulit, si Joshua, sige nga, because magaling ang, remember, the Korean industry of the TV and ano, it is supported by the government, di ba? So now, anong pag-uusapan? Nagsampala naman, urban and rural problems, rich guy, poor woman. So they talk about mental health. Oh, kung hindi na uso yan, pag-uusapan pa dito yan, yung mga nag-suicide nating mga malulungkot na artista. So, kung hindi pinag-usapan, hindi ano. So, yun na nga, try media pa rin.
Yes po. And
Try media. So,
oo.
good.
And tanongin na naman natin si Ma'am Suzanne if you have the platform or meron bang page na pwedeng i-follow ng ating mga followers. Or
Okay.
do you have advocacy po, Ma'am, to share with our viewers right now?
Okay, thank you for asking. Well, as for me, after surviving aneurysm, kinikwento ko nga, hindi ko nakwento sa'yo to, yung actually, nung na-aneurysm ako, wala na. Black and blue na ako everything. It was as a depressive kasi gusto mo talaga mamatay eh. Pero nabuhay ako ulit. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, ba't ako nabuhay ulit, Lord? It's my chance to be with you, in my belief that I'm gonna be with you. So, may purpose pa daw ako. So, sabi ko, Lord, what's my purpose? So, thank God, after 2030, we got to go to Israel. And I discovered, I really experienced and felt God in my heart. And yun na nga, my heart is Isaiah 61, to learn to comfort one another, bind the brokenhearted, set captives free. And it's really holistic. It's connected to spirit, soul, and body. So in my case, ever since that time, kaka-research ko, and I have my, even if you have all the credentials, it's not my strength. It's really the Father, and at the same time, all this science that He's given us to support the Bible. So in my case, I'm an image health and wellness consultant, holistic consultant. So we have Holistic Haven House of Healing. It's in FB and IG. And then that's the site I usually share to people, because that's my heart. Whether it's mental health, it's addiction. I used to teach in drug rehab and in correctional, and all the people I meet who come to me, who trust me, and I just want to be there, to be not just an ally, but to be there even to pray. Importante pala rin yan, na alam mo, sabi ko nung, uy, religious, paano kung hindi nagpe-pray? Alam mo, nalaman nila ngayon, kaya ginagaya ng ibang religion, meditation, di ba? Uso kaya meditation, maski sa La Orpa, or Oprah, meditation. Because it comes pala your prefrontal cortex with the brain waves. O biro mo. So, that's my site, Holistic Haven House of Healing, and they can contact me there 24/7. Kasi nga, there are times you can only minister in Messenger. Di ba? Secret, yung Instagram, kasi hindi man pupunta. It's very private, things like this, especially
Ito
with
po ba ma'am
issues
may
like this.
parang wellness center? Ma
Yeah,
ano po
we have we have we
House of ma'am again, House
I
of
called it Holistic Haven House of
yan,
Healing,
yan ulit.
HHHH. But I I used to have a clinic in Networld Hotel sa May Bandia. Kaya lang, after I had aneurysm, I decided not to go there anymore. Hi uh to uh to our very, very honorable friend of Miss Patsuda, the owner. And that's why now I also link with Dr. Nina Rodil in Skin and Aesthetic Center. We have a office there, so we can pray and meet people. It's in Katapatan GMA, yung Caswin Building. And then kasi usually pag sa counseling, usually it's on Zoom, or we meet them privately, depende kung ano yung need. But that's what I do. That's my heart. That's my call. Or you go to their house privately, kanya-kanya. Pero yeah, we have that in Timo, but I'm in Taguig. So usually it depends. Like I'm meeting somebody on Friday. So depende. Pero yeah, I'm here. We do that. Kasi we also have all these medical devices to help them cope with that. Like we have something to help them in their depression. And then I have a friend, si Miss Olay, about ano naman, the supplementation. So marami. It's a team. It can't be just one person. But I thank God that He gave me the wisdom and the experience, even if it's sad. But you want to be the person that the people need. If I can't find somebody like that, I want to be like that before I die.
Yan.
Yon. So Holistic
Send
Haven House of Healing
send
on
a message
FB.
to ma'am pag kung meron mga concerns,
Mm,
if you want
Yeah,
corporate talks or
yeah, I do.
bites sa company talks or sa mga or speaker yan. Ma'am
Yeah,
always
yeah,
ready for is ready
yeah,
to serve you yan anytime. So thank you very
yeah,
much.
yeah. Mm-mm,
Thank you very much sa ating mga viewers for today's podcast.
mm-mm,
A meaningful
yeah.
and a fruitful conversation about mental health and your mental wellness. Thank you po,
Mhm.
Ma'am Susain. Do you have any
Thank you
final
also for the
words?
invitation.
Mm-mm. So, thank you po.
Thank you also. Very welcome.
Ayan, Ma'am.